What's going on YouTube? Gonna make this a pretty fast video. Just want to show you a taillight mod that you can do for $40. It's a kit, and I have the kit, so I'll show you. Turn over. So this is what it looks like. That's the new tail lights, and this one's actually unplugged. So let me plug it back in really fast. Show you what this one looks like. That's what this one looks like. So that's how they come stock. It's like this, and this is now your emergency signals and turn signals, and then it'll be reverse light instead of reverse light blinker. So yeah, that's what it will look like. Let me turn those off so I can get it started. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna make this a really quick video. Let me run over here really fast. I just got done driving it, letting it cool off. It cooled off properly. I let it run for like 10 minutes, and then I let it run for 10 minutes, and then I always open the hood. So this is what the kit looks like. They actually sent me two, so maybe when I hit around 250 subscribers, or maybe around 500, we'll call it 300. Once I hit 300 subscribers, I will give these away for free. These are for GTRs, unfortunately, or if you want to buy them, you know, we can work out a deal. They come for 40. I can sell them for like 35, and shipping. Or, wow, no. Well, if you're interested, just hit me up. Anyways, show you how to install these really fast. So this is the liner right here. It's gonna be wrapped in suede. That went right here. So you have some clips you have to remove. There's about 5 to 8 of them. See all the clips you have to remove right there. And again, it's a progress. I'm gonna wrap it in suede. So, besides the point. But once you get that off, you're gonna come down in here, right here, and there's a clip right here that you gotta push down on. So, let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's a little difficult trying to push that down. Oh man, that thing is stiff. So you're gonna push that right there. Oh, I had it. It's hard with one hand. I might set this down really fast. Sorry, it's probably gonna get dark for a second, and then I'll show you. Got it. Okay. So back to over here. Anyways, this is the tab that you have to push down right here, and it faces this way like that. So what you're gonna do is take your wire kit that I have right here, and I'll clip it in. So you can see there's a black wire and a yellow wire. The point of that is to have dual reverse lights. So if you want to do dual reverse lights, clip that into here and you're good to go. And yeah, so I will plug this in. Let's see, this end goes over here. Sorry, it's dark too. So once that's clipped in, I'm just gonna take this end, take it back over. Let's see which way it clips. It should clip in right here. Everything's clipped. Tuck all those wires back and put the panel back in. Let's test if it works really fast. Let's see. We have the emergency lights going. Let's figure out and see if that worked really fast. Yeah, so there you go. That's how you install that kit to get blinkers like the, you know, the modern GTRs, like 2012 and up, for $40 instead of buying the new taillights for a few hundred. Actually, 1,000. They're around 1,000. That's on eBay even, so even new would be more. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. I do lots of videos with all my vehicles over here, so just stay tuned and have a good day. Thank you.